Stem cell technology has been around for years, but has seen limited results. People need a product that works, and Lifewave has clinical evidence to back it up. Lifewave X39 trademark is the world's first stem cell activation product of its kind. To harness the power of Lifewave's patented phototherapy technology, elevating an activator copper peptide which signals the body to turn on its stem cells. One of the key factors needed to effectively heal damaged tissue or help with prevention against autoimmune disorders and age-related diseases. This leads to rejuvenation of cells, hair and skin, increased energy and metabolic activity, natural weight loss, and many other beneficial health effects as you age. Customer-proof Lifewave X39. I have now been using X39 for 2 months, and I still can't believe the results that continue to happen. My recovery time at the gym is better now than I can ever remember. Not only has my cardio routine improved by 10 times, but I'm back working out again. Buy the Lifewave Stem Cell Activation Patch today. Please like and subscribe to our video. Sign up for your free ebook guide below on the 12 health improvements. Go to the link in the description and sign up for your free ebook. Thank you for your valuable time and attention. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your ebook now.